There is nothing like a big pot of beans simmering on the stove when the weather breaks. And now, best yet, Journey, Lydia, and several others are doing bean challenges. I am going to make beans today. Mine will be navy beans cooked in smoked turkey necks. I have already cooked the turkey necks and simmered them. I'm going to take all of the meat off of the bones. I have chopped up 2 or 3 cups of onions, white onions and red onions. I'm putting it in the broth. About 1.5 cups, 2 cups of celery, some green peppers, bell peppers that is, some whole garlic, and some mixed bell peppers, orange, yellow, and green that I had in the freezer. And I will bring these to a boil before I put in my navy beans, which have been soaked. After I soak them, I drain them. I'm going to put them back in the broth, but I want to make sure that the broth is boiling first. Also, when I soak them with a pinch of baking soda. I don't know, they say that it helps remove impurities. It just makes me feel good that I'm doing something extra special for my friends and family. So I do what I do. Anyway, I will get back to you when this comes to a boil. I will put the beans in, but I want it to be hot. I don't want to cool the beans. I will not put any sugar, any salt, any flavorings in until the end, because they say that it helps keep the beans tender. All right, we'll be back. Hi everybody. So Auntie Ellen has finished her beans. I also made a small plate of rice and the navy beans, the small navy beans that I cooked in homemade chicken stock, all of the veggies from yesterday. The smoked turkey necks are finished, and I will plate it up and let you see how it looks. They're simmered in all those golden juices. I realize my arm is in the way. And voila! Fit for a king or a queen. And just look at this thick, juicy goodness. Here's my 2021 Beans Challenge. So good. Bye-bye.